I'm Bella Newbro, and I am in Public Speaking 1. And today for my how-to speech, I'm going to be telling you how you can make Rice Krispie treats. First, you will need Rice Krispies cereal certified by Kellogg's. Second, you will need the Jet Puffed marshmallows by the Jet Puff Company. Then you will need just a regular old brownie tin and a stick of butter. Step 1. You're going to melt your marshmallows and butter together on a stove top or in a microwave. That way you can get them to a proper cream. Step 2. You're going to mix your marshmallow cream with your Rice Krispies cereal. Step 3. You're going to put it into a pan and put some parchment paper down so that your Rice Krispies don't get stuck to the pan. Step 4. You're going to let your Rice Krispies sit for about 2 hours so that they can harden and hold shape. Step 5. You're going to cut them into little brownie squares so that you can serve and eat your Rice Krispies. Thank you for watching and visiting my how-to speech.